Boom.
some heavy cream, and agave. So it's really healthy as well.
Oh my God, it's really healthy too.
And you don't need an ice cream machine.
Wow, can I just chuck those in there?
Go ahead.
Woo!
Avocados in the blender along with the cream.
Beautiful. Little bit of cream.
I mean, you gotta have some cream.
Natural sweetener, you gotta have some cream.
A little agave just to sweeten it up. And then,
Pop the lid on. You don't even need an ice cream maker, so cool.
here we go.
Lovely.
Blend it all together.
That is amazing.
All right.
Amazing. And that's it. She just put it in a dish and threw it in the freezer. Delish. Here, grab a spoon. Or fork.
Fork.
We gotta try some of this.
I'm cold. This can be mine.
So good.
Just like that.